Welcome back, pioneers! Today, we're diving into something super cool from Corbett Shwom's new book, Breathe It. Did you know that your breath is like a secret superpower? It can help you feel calm, focused, and even full of energy. This time of year can feel a little crazy. Maybe you're thinking about tests, holiday gifts from Santa, or what's coming in the next year. But guess what? I've got 5 amazing breathing tricks for today to help you calm down, chill out, and feel awesome. The book has 15 breathing hacks in total, so today we'll do 5 for calm, next week 5 more for focus, and the last 5 for an energy boost to finish the year strong. Are you ready to unlock your breathing superpower? Let's go! The 5 breathing tricks we're doing today are called ocean wave, long exhale, shoulder release, cloud breath, and candle breath. Cool names, right? If you want to jump into your favorite one, check the timestamps in the description below. Remember, there are 15 breathing hacks in Corbett's book, so we'll cover more in future videos. Don't forget, though, to hit the subscribe button and tap that bell so you don't miss out on next week's focus hacks. Oh, and if you want the full book, ask your grown-ups to check out the link to Amazon in the description. We will start each breathing exercise either standing or sitting tall, but I will stand to demonstrate more clearly. Let's call this our ready position. I'll review the techniques first, then we can try it together. Okay, first up, ocean wave. This one's super fun because your breath moves like the ocean. Here's how. Get into your ready position by sitting tall or standing. Close your mouth and breathe in slowly through your nose for 4 seconds. Make a soft ha sound in your throat like you're fogging up a window. Now breathe out through your nose until your belly feels empty, making that ha sound a little louder. Repeat this 3 times and imagine your breath rolling in and out like ocean waves. Ready? Let's try 4 ocean wave breaths together. Wow, that feels amazing. I'm so much more relaxed. Next up, long exhale. This one helps your body feel steady and still. Here's how. Get into your ready position, whichever feels good. Take a deep breath in through your nose for 4 seconds. Now breathe out slowly through your mouth for 8 seconds. Put your hand on your belly as you breathe out to feel it empty. Repeat this 3 times, keeping your breath smooth and steady. If 4 and 8 seconds feel too long, try 2 and 4 instead. The secret is that your exhale should be twice as long as your inhale. Ready? Let's do 4 long exhales together. Amazing! How do you feel? Next up, shoulder release. This one helps you let go and relax. Here's how. Get into your ready position, or you could even lie down. Breathe in slowly through your nose for 4 seconds while shrugging your shoulders up toward your ears. Now, breathe out through your mouth for 4 seconds as you drop your shoulders and let them relax. Repeat this 3 times, letting go of your worries each time. Pro tip: imagine dropping a heavy backpack with every exhale. Ready? Let's try 4 shoulder releases together. Awesome! You just got rid of a ton of stress. We're over halfway through. Can you believe it? Next up, cloud breath. This one helps your worries float away. Here's how. Sit, stand, or lie down, whatever feels comfy. Breathe in slowly through your nose for 4 seconds, and imagine your body getting light like a fluffy cloud. Now, breathe out slowly through your mouth for 4 seconds, like you're gently blowing a cloud across the sky. Repeat this 3 times, feeling lighter with every breath. Remember, let your worries float away as you're blowing the clouds across the sky. All together, let's try 4 cloud breaths. Did you feel like floating away? Are you ready for the last calm technique? It is called candle breath. This one is perfect for calming your mind and nerves. Here's how. In your ready position or lying down, breathe in slowly through your nose for 4 seconds. Now, breathe out gently through your mouth like you're blowing a candle flame. But don't blow it out, just make it move. Put your hand on your belly as you breathe out to feel it empty. Repeat this 3 times, keeping your breath soft and steady. Remember, this isn't a birthday candle, so no big breaths, just a gentle breeze. Ready? Let's do 4 candle breaths together. Oh, wow, I feel so calm. Whew! How do you all feel? I hope a bit more relaxed, thanks to these 5 breathing techniques. I want to thank Corbett Shwom for introducing these techniques in his newly published book, Breathe It, which is available on Amazon. I will be making another video featuring the next 5 techniques in his book. But if you're impatient and want to be spoiled, grab his book now on either Amazon or his own personal website, CorbettShwom.com. If you would like to get your book read or reviewed on this channel, send me an email at contact@readingpioneers.com so we can turn it into a future video. Also, it helps a ton if you like the video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to Reading Pioneers Academy. Thank you all again for watching, and until next time, I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye-bye!